Hi everyone! It's been a long time po. So ito, I'm actually recording kasi I just wanted to give you a great news that we finally got monetized on YouTube. Thank you so much to all my supporters, our supporters na nanonood po sa aming family vlogs, also to my side hustle vlogs, and even to my gaming journey. So, ayun. And to my mini version ng mga tutorials and even to reactions and some other decluttering. So, ayun po. And then, I really appreciate those who actually stayed in my channel for more than maybe like almost a decade now. So, ayun po. Finally, ito na guys. So, first and foremost is na-hit po natin yung 4,000 watch hours sa non-stop live natin so far. And then, timing din kasi naging busy tayo sa work. So, hindi na tayo nakapag-live after that. But, I do live for quick minutes na lang. Depende pag may time talaga. But anyway, if you have any questions, you can feel free to engage or leave your comments below. And then, ayun po, when I actually got my monetization, na-approve na po tayo sa partner ni YouTube for Google Ads. So, and then nag-request po ako noon sa ng AdSense code sa sa website nila. So ayun, normally since nasa Mindanao area po ako, dumating po siya after 4 weeks. Pero ayun, excited yung lola nyo, so nag-request ako actually for second. Nag-chat ako sa support. So sabi talaga nila is marireceive nyo talaga daw yon. But if ever hindi nyo daw ma-receive, is pupuntahan nyo lang daw yung mail PO box nyo. Like, ano to? Yung tanggapan talaga ng mga mails. So, ayun po. Pero yung sa time ko is, yung first talaga is nag-door to door talaga yung delivery. So, diba? In fairness. And then, na-set up na po siya. And then, after few days, patience is a virtue, na-approve naman. So, ayun lang. Never give up, guys. And then, just follow everything. And make sure that you're always checking whatever is the good practices from other bloggers as well. Hindi man tayo sikat, at least, diba, may kakaunti naman tayo mga supporters. And my mini circle, I'm so proud of us kasi nandito tayo. And then, ayun po, just make sure lang yung mga videos natin is clear. So, ayun po, I just wanted to share that great news, and subscribe for more. Have a great day. Bye. Guys, you see, I actually just refreshed my YouTube to just now, and there you go. You see, it's enabled, and I'm actually on live right now, to be honest, and it's 4 hours. Look at that. So I'm actually to increase daily videos, upload live stream, and eligibility to apply for monetization. So there you go. You see, you need to upload every day. It's 1 a.m. now. That's a US time anyway. So yeah, I'm very, very happy. Yay. Almost there, guys. Meron na, guys. Kinakabahan ako. Kinakabahan talaga ako. Oh my God.